Welcome to HomePan TriPro. Today, we're diving deep into a kitchen appliance that promises to redefine your culinary experience, the Vermicular Musui-Kamado rice pot. This isn't just another rice cooker, folks. Vermicular has positioned this as a premium, precision multi-cooker, and it certainly comes with a premium price tag to match. So, is it worth the investment? Let's break it down. First off, let's talk about what makes this Musui-Kamado unique. At its core, it's a cast iron induction cooker with a specialized enameled pot. The real magic lies in its versatility and precision. Vermicular boasts a range of cooking techniques this appliance can handle. We're talking about the signature Musui, or waterless, cooking, which is a cornerstone of Japanese cuisine, designed to extract the maximum flavor from ingredients without adding unnecessary water. But it doesn't stop there. It also claims to excel at steam roasting, searing, stir-frying, braising, stewing, and even precision cooking methods like sous-vide and fermentation. And yes, it has a dedicated rice cooking mode, which is obviously crucial given its name. One of the standout features Vermicular highlights is the precision seal. They claim the rims of their pots and lids are meticulously machined to an incredibly tight tolerance, less than 0.01 mm variance. This level of precision, they say, is what enhances the flavors of your food by trapping moisture and aroma exceptionally well. This sounds like it could be a game changer for locking in taste and texture. The heating system is another area where the Musui-Kamado aims to differentiate itself. It employs a three-dimensional induction heating method. This means heat is delivered not just from the base, but also from surrounding sidewall heaters. Coupled with induction coils at the base, the goal is extremely even heat distribution throughout the entire pot. This is essential for consistent cooking, preventing hot spots and ensuring your dishes come out perfectly every time, much like the revered Kamado stoves. Now, let's consider its compatibility. This is important for many users. The Musui can be used on all gas, electric, and induction stovetops. That's a good start. It's also oven-safe, up to a very impressive 570 degrees Fahrenheit. This means you can start a dish on the induction cooker and finish it in the oven, or vice versa, offering a lot of flexibility in your cooking workflow. When you purchase the Vermicular Musui-Kamado, you're getting a complete package. It includes the 3.9-quart enameled cast iron pot, the Kamado induction stove unit itself, a hardcover cookbook with over 70 original recipes, 2 measuring cups, one specifically for water and one for rice, and a cast iron lid stand. This thoughtful inclusion of accessories suggests Vermicular wants you to hit the ground running and explore all the possibilities this cooker offers. So, let's weigh the pros and cons. On the pro side, the sheer versatility is a major selling point. If you're looking to consolidate several appliances into one, this could be a strong contender. The waterless cooking feature, coupled with the precision seal and advanced induction heating, promises superior flavor and texture. The build quality, being cast iron, is generally excellent and durable. The oven-safe feature adds another layer of culinary freedom. And the comprehensive cookbook provides an excellent starting point. However, there are some significant cons to consider. The price point is undoubtedly high, making this a luxury item rather than an everyday appliance for most households. While it claims to do many things, mastering each technique might require a learning curve, even with the included cookbook. The 3.9-quart capacity, while decent for small families or couples, might be a bit limiting for larger gatherings or for those who regularly cook in bulk. And while it's compatible with different stovetops, the primary cooking function is via induction, so it's not an entirely standalone stovetop replacement if you have specific heating needs. In conclusion, the Vermicular Musui-Kamado rice pot is an aspirational kitchen appliance. It's for the discerning home cook who values precision, flavor, and versatility above all else, and is willing to invest in a premium tool. It's not for everyone, but for those who can appreciate its sophisticated engineering and culinary potential, it could very well be a game changer in their kitchen. Link in the description.